Agnes Medical NewsFlash. Check out the top 3 hot issues. Let's dive right in. Agnes has successfully registered its trademark in Japan. Back in April 2024, Agnes received certification as a radiofrequency skin rejuvenation medical device from the Pharmaceuticals and Medical Devices Agency, PMDA, of Japan. The PMDA, under the Ministry of Health, Labor, and Welfare, is known for its rigorous approval process, making this certification a significant milestone. Agnes was recognized for its innovative use of 9 microneedles, enabling customized treatments for various indications. Its safety and efficacy have been proven with outstanding results in treating acne, eyelid wrinkles, syringoma, double chin, and jowl lifting. A spokesperson for Agnes Medical stated, "Agnes is not only recognized in Korea but also gaining acclaim worldwide as a reliable skin rejuvenation medical device. With this trademark registration, we aim to strengthen our presence in the Japanese market and further expand our market share." Agnes and DoubleTite workshop in Morocco. On December 20th, a workshop featuring Agnes and DoubleTite was held at the Marriott Hotel in Morocco. The event included in-depth lectures by Dr. June and hands-on training sessions, offering participants the opportunity to experience Agnes and DoubleTite firsthand. The local medical community showed tremendous interest and enthusiasm. Agnes Medical has been actively expanding into the Middle East market. Following its participation in the 2024 Dubai Derma, the company is preparing for certification in Saudi Arabia in 2025. Stay tuned for more exciting developments as Agnes Medical continues to make waves in the Middle East. Here's the latest update on the IMCAS World Congress 2025 France. Let's dive into IMCAS, the global hub for dermatology and aesthetic medicine. Established in 1994, IMCAS is the world's largest academic congress in aesthetics and dermatology. Each year, it brings together over 12,000 experts to share the latest trends in aesthetic surgery, dermatology, and medical devices. The 2025 IMCAS is set to be even more impressive, with over 300 companies participating. It's the perfect opportunity to discover new knowledge and innovations. Don't forget, Agnes Medical's booth will be located at H114. From January 30th to February 1st, 2025, don't miss these must-attend programs. January 31st, Dr. Ga Ram An presents a groundbreaking lecture on full-thickness skin rejuvenation by a novel dual-length microblade radiofrequency technique, a proof-of-concept study using human skin. February 1st, workshop with Dr. Soo-Yeon Kim. Gain valuable insights into procedural techniques and case studies for various indications. That's a wrap for the hot issue of the month from Agnes Medical. Stay tuned for more updates. Don't forget to follow us on YouTube, Facebook, and Instagram for more exciting content.